Hi, I'm Dominique Pandobucci, a U.S. business and investor immigration attorney. If you're applying for an EB-5 green card from abroad, meaning from your home country instead of from within the U.S., you're going to have an interview with a visa officer. And that interview, if you're in England, is going to be in London. Now, what kinds of questions will you get asked at your EB-5 visa interview? The officer will want to ask you some personal questions about your life. What do you plan to do when you get to the US? What is your spouse's profession? If you have older children, what is their plan? Have you already found health insurance? That's one of the more recent questions popping up. And then the officer will ask you about your EB-5 investment. What was the source of the funds that you used to invest in an EB-5 project? What type of project did you invest in? And what's the current status of the construction of that project? So it's always good to reach out to your regional center for the most up-to-date information on your project, and also to come prepared with these answers for the officer so that you can explain what your plan is in the United States once you're a permanent resident. So after the interview, what usually happens is another background check is run, takes a few days. You get your passport back with your immigrant visa stamp in it, and then when you travel to the United States, the day you enter the US, that's the day that you become a conditional permanent resident. And that conditional residence is good for 2 years. So now you know a little bit more about a visa interview for an EB-5 application, and if you have more questions, please reach out to schedule a consultation with me.